Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the very first video I'm going to post in my vlog, and this is all about getting to know me. Make a vlog for such a long time now, and I have been putting it off, but today I have finally decided to start, and the very first thing I did was I ordered a ring light from Shopee, so there is no turning back. And I'm going to also make a video in the unboxing of that ring light and if it's really worth it, if the money is worth it. Today the video is about getting to know me. So I'm going to tell you things that you may or may not know about me. So are you ready? Information, I have been modeling for a decade now, so it's been so long. And now I'm laying low because I'm 27 already. I got married when I was 24, so young, and I still have no kids. I have been into pageantry for also a long time. And what I'm doing with my life now is, I don't know, finding what my purpose, I guess. So I have been trying a lot of things, from modeling to pageantry, from baking to business, and now vlogging. So I'm trying to find what's meant for me. So if you're like me, still figuring out who you are, so cheers to that. I want you to meet my baby. So this is Cotton. She's already 3 years old, so she will be part of some of my vlogs, and she's so adorable. So you have to watch her in my videos. One thing you don't probably know about me is I hate talking in front of the camera. So that's why I've been putting off making vlogs for a long time now, because I'm not really comfortable. So, as they say that life begins at the end of your comfort zone. So that's why I'm trying now, because I want to do something different in my life. So isn't it weird? Like, I grew up like being in front of the camera. So ever since like I was 17, 18, I was already in front of the camera, like acting. Okay, probably not acting. Just a bit of acting, more on photo shoots, like on pageants. I have to face like thousands of people. But when I talk in front of the camera, just like now, or even thinking about it, is I get this. So I get scared. So every time I think about being in front of the camera or talking in front of the camera, in Bisaya it makes me kulbaan. So there are people that are not used to talking in front of the camera. So I guess you have to push yourself to the limit to become the best version of yourself. So I got inspired making a vlog by one of a friend of mine. She's a model and also a mom, and now a flight attendant, and now she's very successful when it comes to her vlog. So I owe it to her that I have this self-confidence to make a vlog of my own. So enough for that. For the vlogs that I'm going to make, so I'm going to make vlogs about skincare, about fashion, about adventure, or anything under the sun. Even baking, I'm planning to make that. And also I'm going to have a collaboration, of course, with my sister. I'm going to do makeup stuff, so probably that will be my first video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel so you get to see what I have in store. So see you next time, and click the subscribe button and like button. And also follow my Instagram, Crystal Aberasturi. Bye! First ever YouTube